Hello students, welcome to the class. So our journey was going about the village. Yes, yesterday we were seeing about the village. Which village about where we talking? Yes, we were talking about the Rangapuram village. What are there in the Rangapuram village? In Rangapuram village, there are the street lights, different types of houses, trees, places of worship, fields, hills, school. These all things are there in the Varangapuram village. Yes, and there are some public institutions also are there which help people to solve their problems. Yes, which public institutions are there? Yesterday we saw. Yes, yesterday we saw about the Gram Panchayat, no? Which helped the people in many ways. What this Gram Panchayat do for the people? Gram Panchayat do many works. Like what? See, these Gram Panchayat members supply the water to the houses, they clean the drains and the street, and maintain the street lights. Yes, all these things we saw yesterday, no? And again, what about we saw? We saw about the post office. Yes, what does post office do for the people? Yes, in post office, the people can save their money, they post their letters and do life insurance. Yes, now again one more institution we saw that. What is that? Primary health center, where the villagers, when they fall sick, they go to the primary health center, where one doctor and few health workers available all the time. And next is veterinary hospital. Yesterday I told you the difference between the hospital and veterinary hospital, no? Primary health center means where the people go to take the treatment, and veterinary hospital means the cattle are taken for the treatment. Yes, so these four institutions we saw yesterday. About these four institutions we learned yesterday how they help us. Now today we are going to see about the bank. You know children, bank? Yes, our mother, father, brothers, everybody goes to bank. For what they go to the bank? Yes, they go to the bank for saving their money, for taking the loans, and when they return the money in installments. When we take the loan from the banks, we have to return it. Yes, how these villagers will return this money? They return it in the installments. So about these all institutions we learned yesterday. Now today some more institutions we are going to learn. Now all of you take out the page number 81. Okay. See here on the page number 81, one picture is here given. What picture it is? Can you tell me how it is looking? Here two children are going to school. Here also some children are entering into the school. It means this is the picture of a school. This is the picture of a school which is in Rangapuram village. No, so Rangapuram village children go to the school also. Now let's know about the school, how it helped the Rangapuram village children. See here, there is an upper primary school in Rangapuram. See here, they have one upper primary school in Rangapuram. The students who complete their studies here go to the other villages schools to continue their higher studies. Yes children, see in small villages they have only the primary schools where they can study only upper primary studies. But when they want to take the higher educations, where they go? They move to the cities. So here also in Rangapuram village, students have only upper primary school in their village, and for higher section, for higher studies, this village children go to the another places to continue their studies. Okay. Next, what is here? It is a water tank. See here. Have you seen like this water tanks anywhere? Yes, like these tanks are available or there in every village, through which the water is supplied to the houses. No, in every village like this one water tank will be there. Yes, you all might have seen this. Okay, let's learn about this. See, this is a water tank. The water is pumped from the water tank to taps. See, from this tank, water is supplied to the houses. The water tank is cleaned once in a week. How do we clean our water bottles? If we have water tank which is on the terrace, we clean it once in a week or once in a month. So like that, this water tank also is cleaned once in a week. Chlorine is mixed with water to purify it. What is mixed with the water to purify it, to clean it? Yes, it is chlorine. Chlorine is mixed with water to purify it. The purified water is released to the taps. See, after cleaning the water only is released to the taps. We should see that water is not wasted through the taps. And we have to see that water should not go waste. We have to conserve the water, save the water. Anywhere if we see that water is wasting, we have to tell them that we have to save the water. The village sarpanch should be informed about the leakages in pipes. If you see anywhere that water leakage is going, if any pipe has leakages, then you have to inform it to the sarpanch about water wastage. Okay. Next, on the page number 81 only, there is one more picture. What it is? The first picture is, see here, the plus symbol is given. It means this picture is about the church. This one is what? Yes, it is a mosque. Next one, what it is? Yes, it is a temple. Now it means these are the places of worship where the people can go and offer their prayers. Okay. Why these different are there? Because in Rangapuram village there are the different religion people live. So who go to the church? Yes, Christians go to the church and offer their prayers. Here, mosque. Who go to the mosque? Yes, who go? Muslims. Muslims go to the mosque. Here next. What it is? It is a temple. Who goes to temple? Hindus. Yes. So Hindus go to temple, Muslims go to mosque and Christians go to church. These are the places of worship where the people go and offer their prayers. So these three places of worship also are there in the Rangapuram village where the people, the villagers go and offer their prayers. Okay, understood children? So on this page number we learned about the school which is in the Rangapuram, and it is the upper primary school where the children go to study, and for the higher studies these children move to the another places. And this is a water tank which is cleaned once in a week and purified it, then only released to the taps. And next, the places of worship which are there in the Rangapuram where all the villagers go and offer their prayers. Okay. Now all of you come to the page number 82 now. See here on the page number 82, what is given? Transport in Rangapuram village. See here, Rangapuram village have the transport facility also. Do we have in our village transport facility? Yes, when we go to school or any other villages, what do we use? Yes, when we come to school, you come by school van or any other buses. Yes, When you go to your relative's house, if you are going to another villages, what do you use? Yes, sometimes you use if it is so far place, you go by train. Otherwise, you will go in the bus. Or if it is very near place, you choose an auto. No. So, how do we have the transport facility in our village like that? In Rangapuram village also have the transport facility. But in what way? Let's see that. How do we travel in a village? Let us know the transport facilities of Rangapuram. Which vehicles are there in Rangapuram? See, we have autos, train, buses, jeep, car, any two-wheelers. These all vehicles we use to move. Yes. But in Rangapuram village, what these people have the transport facility? Which vehicles move here? Let's see. What kind of vehicles are there in Rangapuram as the picture below? See, this is the Rangapuram village picture. Here, what vehicles can you see? Here, there are 2 autos and 1 bus. And it is a bullock cart which is the villagers used for their agricultural work. So here we can see only 2 autos and 1 bus is looking. Any other vehicle is looking here? No. Now see how these people have the transport facility. A bus comes to Rangapuram in the morning and evening. See, this is the bus which comes in Rangapuram village only in the morning and evening. Only these villages have this facility when this bus comes only once in the morning and the evening. Only 2 times this bus runs in the Rangapuram village. The villagers go to the nearby villages by an auto. If these villagers want to go anywhere, the nearby places, they take the autos. The farmers use bullock cart for the agricultural work. The students go by bus to other villages for higher studies. See, just now I told you in Rangapuram village, they have only upper primary school. After finished that, their studies, they go to the another villages where they have the availability to take the higher studies. So here in Rangapuram village, the farmers use bullock cart for the agricultural work and the students go by bus to other villages for higher studies. So how the students will go? When the bus comes in the morning, these children go to the village for taking higher studies and come in the evening. Now you have known about the social institutions in a village and transport facilities in Rangapuram. Now you all understood, children, these all the social institutions which are there in the Rangapuram and also we have in our villages. Yes. And in what way, how these institutions help us, that also we learned. Yes. How this bank helpful for the people, post office, gram panchayat, water tank, school, hospital, veterinary hospital. These are all institutions, social institutions, how they are helpful for the people we saw in this lesson. Now you all understood, children? Okay, now we'll move on the next page. Then take out all of you page number 83. See here on the page number 83 what is given. Do you know what kind of work the people in Rangapuram do? Now, just now we saw about all the social institutions. Yes, how they work for the people. But we did not see the people who stays or who live in the Rangapuram village, what they do. In our village, the people do different kinds of work. Yes, some are plumbers, some are the teachers, some members go to the offices, some do the agricultural work. So different types of works the people do everywhere. But in Rangapuram village, we'll see that what the people do here? Most of the villagers do agriculture. See, in Rangapuram village, most of the people do which work? Agriculture work. It means they go to the fields. Some work as laborers. Some people go as laborers. The others do different kinds of works. And the other people do the different kinds of work. Some may go to the shops, hotels, or any other different works. There are blacksmiths, potters, and other professionals. See, there are the blacksmiths and potters and the other professionals. మట్టితోని బొమ్మలు చేసే వాళ్ళని పాటర్స్ అంటారు. బ్లాక్ స్మిత్స్ అంటే వినప వస్తువులు చేసే వాళ్ళని బ్లాక్ స్మిత్స్ అంటారు. అండ్ ఎనీ అదర్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్, వేరే పని కూడా చేసేవాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. సమ్ విలేజర్స్ ఆర్ వెల్ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ అండ్ వర్క్ ఇన్ ఆఫీసెస్. సి, some people are in the Rangapuram village are well educated. So these people work in the offices. Those who are educated. Some own small shops and do business. So in Rangapuram village, some people have their own shops where they do their business. All the younger children study in their village school only. See, all the younger children study in their village school only. Here the younger students, they go to school which is there in Rangapuram village. Other older children go to the other villages. Those who have finished their upper primary school education, these children go to the another villages for their higher studies. All the women in the village are educated. See, in Rangapuram village, here all the women are educated. They also do some jobs. See how this in Rangapuram village there are some people who are well educated. They are going to works in the offices. So here like that women also are well educated. So these women also are going for the jobs. They are also doing the jobs and earn their livelihood. And they earn the livelihood. You have not learnt about the facilities in Rangapuram. All villages will not have many of these facilities. These facilities lead to village development. See here how these Rangapuram villages have all these kind of facilities like Gram Panchayat, primary health sub-center, veterinary hospital, water tank, school, yes, post office, banks. These all facilities have the Rangapuram village. But there are some more villages which villages till now do not have like this any facilities. They have to come to the another villages where they'll get all these facilities. The people who come from the small villages and they solve their problems. Okay, these facilities lead to village development. So here in Rangapuram villages they all have this kind of facilities which is need in each and every village. Okay, here are given some keywords. What are that? Once we will read. Village, Gram Panchayat, bank, veterinary hospital, primary health sub-center and post office. Health worker, places of worship, transport facilities, social institutions, life insurance and polio drops. Yes, these polio drops are organized in primary health sub-centers. Okay, now we'll once revise the lesson what we learnt in this lesson. So in Rangapuram village has Gram Panchayat, bank, veterinary hospital, school, primary health sub-center, post office, temple, mosque and church where the people can go and offer their prayers. Then what do Gram Panchayat work? Gram Panchayat does different kinds of work like cleaning of the drains, maintaining the street lights, cleaning the garbage, supplying water. This kind of etc. works these people do. Yes, the Gram Panchayat members do this all the works. Next, a village gets much needed help from a bank, post office, school, primary health center, veterinary hospital and Gram Panchayat. Villagers will have transport facilities, different vehicles, travels on the road every day. Different kinds of workers, artisans live in villages. So here in Rangapuram village, there are the different kinds of workers also are there and artisans also are there. Okay. I hope you all understood the lesson. Read the lesson once and twice till it understands you, and see my video. If you don't understand, you can see as many times you want. Okay, and underline the difficult words and learn them. Then soon we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care.